Good. Today we're going to solve for x in this algebraic inequality. Notice we have 6x minus 8 less than or equal to 8x plus 10. First thing we normally look for is we look on the left side and the right side if there's anything we can combine, anything we can simplify. But in this case, we don't have to worry about simplifying the left or right side. But we have a variable on the left and a variable on the right, and we want them on the same side. What I like to do is put the variables on the left and the numbers on the right. So, we have an 8x. To eliminate that 8x, we're going to subtract 8x. 8x minus 8x is 0. But if I do it on the right side, I'm going to have to do it on the left side. So I subtract 8x. 6x minus 8x is negative 2x, and we're going to bring everything down. Okay? So we have the variables on one side. Now we want the numbers on the other side. So to get rid of negative 8, we're going to add 8 to both sides. We're left with negative 2x. 10 plus 8 is 18. Now here's where we have to be very careful. To get x all alone, we have to get rid of times negative 2. To get rid of times negative 2, we divide by negative 2. So I'm going to divide both sides by negative 2. And this is where we need to be very careful. If you divide both sides by a negative, the inequality flips. Because when you divide by a negative, it means opposite. So we're left with x, opposite of less than or equal to, is greater than or equal to. And 18 divided by negative 2 is negative 9. So our answer is x is greater than or equal to negative 9. If we take negative 9 and plug it back into our equation, we can check to make sure it's correct. So, 6 times negative 9 is negative 54, minus 8 is negative 62. 8 times negative 9, negative 72, plus 10 is negative 62. Notice both sides are equal. That shows we've done it correctly. This question also asked us to graph the answer. So when I graph the answer, I create a number line. I always like to put the origin in there so I know where I'm starting from. Our answer is everything greater than or equal to negative 9. So the negative 9 would be here. Because it's equal to, I used a closed, filled-in circle. And it says, and my answer is anything greater than or equal to negative 9. So I'm going to shade everything greater than, remember that's part of our answer as well, everything greater than negative 9. And that is our solution.